So when I tell you, and mind you, there's more grants in the pipeline just waiting. So this is phenomenal. Again, I had already kind of put together the workshop. I've pivoted when she provided this particular opportunity. So we're going to lay out the information. We're going to open up the grant so people can look at and see what it looks like, what it entails, because again, we got work to do. We got until June 1st to get this information out. And I'm not anxious. let me
yeah.
But the information that we're going to need for everybody is going to be so detailed. And I am pretty concrete that we're going to get this grant. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, because, and here's another thing, Elder. If you do not have your tax exempt status, it's
right
okay.
There. Right there.
Because grants allows you to be a sub-applicant. Come on. This is so beautiful. When I tell you, if you have prayed and you have been asking God to help you to put heads in beds and to lay out your program, he's heard it. He's listening. Yeah. So this opportunity is going to allow us to do just that. And again, it's only rolled out for folks who are part of this workshop, and we're going to share all the information. But more importantly, when you walk away from this workshop, you're going to be able to write grants. And I'm hoping that you'll want to help me write these multi-million-dollar grants.